Sunday, July 22nd, and it has been a long, long day, but I just got to my hotel and I am in Las Vegas. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a quick room tour, my Mandalay Bay room. So this is like the entryway with the mirror and then this artwork, which is beautiful. This room is so gorgeous. I'm gonna flip it around and show you. Okay, so this is when you walk in with the artwork and the mirror, and then look at this. How gorgeous is that? Look at that wall. I'm so obsessed with it. And then there are two closets with hangers. There's a safe. Walk over to this closet. There's more hangers and a little thing for your luggage. A lot of people were talking about this on Facebook, trying to figure out if their rooms had a coffee maker. So my room does have a coffee maker, and I'm pretty sure there are supposed to be coffee cups here with coffee. But then there's like candy, cookies. None of this is free. This is the mini bar. And there's cashews, Fiji water. That's like $16. $16 a bottle for Fiji water. Room service, glasses, ice bucket, TV. Then it has this awesome little desk, which is amazing. It's got a lamp, a little guide. There's all these little like charging ports over here for your phone, which is awesome. And this is the king bed. You can also get two queens. And then there's two nightstands. The lamp has outlets in it. Clock, remote. So look at this bathroom. Tub. Gorgeous, gorgeous artwork. Like, I can't even fit all this into the shot. Let's see if I can get back. Look at this shower. Floor to ceiling shower. Walk-in stand-up shower. So pretty. Toilet is its own separate little thing. The lights. Huge, huge vanity. You can see this. Double vanity. Lit mirror. This is also important. Makeup mirror for the vertically challenged who cannot see in the big mirror. And then soap, glasses, it's like conditioner, shampoo, body lotion. But when I got here, they upgraded me to a strip view, which is amazing. Like, you have to see this. Like, I can't even just look at it. Like, let's see if I can get this open. Look at that. So there's the pyramid, the Sphinx. Way back there is the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, MGM. There's like a Hooters over there. Sign. I cannot wait to see this at night. I'm gonna film another clip of it at night, but so far I'm loving Vegas. And like, you can see the mountains like everywhere. Let's see if I can zoom in. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous view. I cannot wait to see it at night. When it gets dark, I will switch to that. This room is gorgeous. The view is just like, I look a hot mess right now, sorry. Look at this wall. That is so pretty. And this view. I'm just so obsessed. Look at that. Vegas. This is amazing. I'm so excited. But yeah, so I'm here for eBay Open. I didn't announce it because, you know, anything can happen, and I don't like to announce things until I actually get there. So I'm here at eBay Open. I cannot believe I'm here. Like, this is crazy. This is, like, I never thought that I would ever come to Las Vegas. But yeah, I'm in Las Vegas. I'm about to take a nap. This is amazing. I'm so excited. Look at that. Let the vacation begin. Okay, so it is nighttime now, and this is amazing. Like, I can't even tell you. This video is not gonna do it justice. Like, this view, like, I can see the entire strip lit up. Like, this is amazing. This is perfect. Look at the sign. Like, this is so awesome. So awesome. So that is my video for today. I'm going to end it here. I will be posting updates all week, both here and on my Instagram. You can follow me at Sydney L. Posh. That way you guys will be able to see real-time updates from eBay Open. And tomorrow, the conference doesn't actually start until Tuesday, but tomorrow I'm going to try and get my registration done and then go probably to the pool or try to find some people to hang out with and enjoy Las Vegas. So I will see you guys back tomorrow. Bye.